Welcome to Amplitude Experiment. In this video, I'll be covering what Amplitude Experiment is and how it fits into Amplitude's broader product ecosystem. Amplitude's interconnected suite of products is purpose-built to help teams like yours understand customer behavior and uncover which actions lead to the best business outcomes. We help you use analytics to find valuable insights in your product usage data, and we also have the tools that can help you take the next step based on those insights you've uncovered. Our overall mission as a company is to help our customers build better products. It starts at the bottom of this diagram with real-time data management in Amplitude data. We then ingest your data into Amplitude's proprietary database, the behavioral graph. We do the hard work on the back end, so you don't need to know SQL or anything like that to answer your own questions about your users. But you can execute complex, interactive querying to surface past user behavior trends and predict future outcomes. The behavioral graph is the back-end technology that powers our next three products: Analytics, Experiment, and Audiences. Amplitude Analytics delivers to you self-service insight into product data, so all teams have visibility into your user behavior and can make data-driven decisions fast. Amplitude Experiment lets you test your product bets and user experiences for their impact on retention and engagement. And finally, Amplitude Audiences helps translate customer insights into action by giving you the tools to create behavior-based audiences and activate them in downstream destinations, as well as the means to personalize each experience for maximum engagement. Now, let's take a closer look at what Experiment can help you do. Amplitude Experiment is a feature management engine powered by analytics and customer behavior. Experiment uses A/B testing and feature flags to determine and deliver the best experiences for customers. Within an experiment, the feature flags are used to control whether a user is able to see a feature as part of the test group or not as part of the control group. You can use Amplitude Experiment as an experimentation tool and as a feature flagging tool. Using an experimentation product like Amplitude Experiment allows you to test out new features and product updates in a production environment with a curated sample of existing users and customers. The analysis features baked into Experiment provide insight into the effectiveness of the feature, allowing you to build a better product for your users. For example, a company using Amplitude Analytics notices a problem. Customers are dropping off during the checkout process, specifically when they're forced to make an account before purchasing. To help solve this problem, they hypothesize that a different checkout flow will increase the number of purchases. So the teams come together to design the new checkout flow that allows users to finish their purchase and then gives them the option to create an account afterward. If their hypothesis is supported by experiment data, then they should move forward with releasing the new checkout flow. If their hypothesis is not supported by experiment data, then they probably won't want to release the new checkout flow. The team runs an experiment against a small set of users, showing some users the old checkout and some users the new checkout. Whichever one gets the most checkouts to convert is essentially the winner. To calculate the results, Amplitude Experiment uses a stats engine to analyze the test and make sure that the winner was actually due to the new designs, known as causality, and not because of a coincidence or chance. Once the experiment is over, the teams can see the results and make a decision on how to move forward. Amplitude Experiment is for the product manager who wants to test out a product change, for the engineer who wants to leverage feature flags to deliver experiments and/or experiences to users, and also for the data scientist who wants to understand the underlying statistics around the results of an experiment. No matter what role your responsibilities fall within, this course will teach you the high-level Amplitude Experiment workflow and how to navigate your way through it.